Avanti Engineering is a great place to work. We're over 48 years in business, and we have a lot of experience.
And we invite you to come work for us.
My name is Rocco Brada. I'm second generation ownership in Avanti Engineering.
Hi, my name is Julie Lorario. I am the Human Resource Director at Avanti Engineering. The reason why anybody would like to work at our company is we have very little turnover. Avanti Engineering is all about family.
Yeah, it's a very tight family business. It's a very good vibe here.
And that's why a lot of our employees have been working here for 20, 30, 40 years.
26 years. Yeah. I started in engineering when I was like 23, so.
I've been at Avanti for 22 years. Yeah, I started straight out of college. Avanti is a great place to work. Basically, I started working as a draftsman, and they allowed me to progress and move up the ladder.
Oh, it's great. I've been working here 14 years. It's kind of like a family atmosphere. Everybody seems to get along really well out there. It's a lot of camaraderie.
We value our employees' loyalty, dependability, and most importantly, passion. And while we're a screw machine shop, we have new technology coming in all the time.
And when we try to do things here, it's more of a team building thing, try to get people to work together.
So some of our benefits that we offer our employees is paid medical and dental. We pay 90% for the individual employee, and we pay 50% for their families. We pay 100% for their dental, 50% for their families. We offer a 401k plan, and the company matches 50 cents to the dollar. Paid holidays, paid vacations. We have a lot of employees that have been here over 20 years, and we offer 4 weeks paid vacation. When everybody works as a team, we all benefit from that, and that's why we have an end-of-year bonus program. So if you're interested in working here, for high school kids, we have an apprenticeship program. So once you are 18 years old, want to find a full-time job with us, we will set you up with a trainer at our company, and you'll go through Apprentice 1, Apprentice 2, Apprentice 3. If you're a college student, you could apply for a scholarship at the local college that we work with. The sponsorship at the local college is worth $3,000 per semester.
Yeah, every day there's a new challenge because we're constantly seeing new parts and new drawings that we need to, provide answers for.
I like the challenge. I like, being a job shop, we get new parts in all the time.
And when we try to do things here, it's more of a team building thing, try to get people to work together.
So if you have good math skills, that's a good quality for us being able to train you.
You should come work here, look into it.
Our team is very devoted and loyal, and they get a great place to work. They get a great benefits package. Most of all, I think they see the direction of where Avanti Engineering is headed, moving forward with new technology, the greatest experience a machine shop can offer, and it excites them.
And that's why we want you to come and explore the opportunities with Avanti Engineering.